অসমৰ গাঁওসমূহত বেংকৰ সা-সুবিধা উন্নত কৰাত গুৰুত্ব আৰোপ কৰিছে ভাৰতীয় ৰিজাৰ্ভ বেংকে। 2000 বা তাতকৈ অধিক মানুহ বাস কৰা গাঁওসমূহক এই ক্ষেত্ৰত অগ্ৰাধিকাৰ দিয়া হ'ব। এই কথা ঘোষণা কৰে ৰিজাৰ্ভ বেংকৰ গভৰ্ণৰ ডি সুব্বা ৰাৱে। ৰিজাৰ্ভ বেংকৰ কেন্দ্ৰীয় বোৰ্ডৰ সঞ্চালকসকলৰ এখন বৈঠকত অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰাৰ পাছত এখন সংবাদমেলত RBIৰ অধ্যক্ষগৰাকীয়ে ঘোষণা কৰে অসমৰ গ্ৰাম্য অঞ্চলত 2013-14 বৰ্ষৰ ভিতৰত 200টা বেংকৰ নতুন শাখা খোলা হ'ব। সংবাদমেলখনত অধ্যক্ষগৰাকীয়ে কয়,
Banks have, after discussion, agreed to raise the amount of credit flowing to the SME sector by 50%. In the current year, 2012-13, the credit going to the SME sector is expected to be of the order of 2,500 crore. Next year, 2013-14, they will raise it to 3,800 crore. One of the problems pointed out by banks for low credit flow to the SME sector is the policy regarding land conversion from agriculture to non-agriculture in Assam. But the Chief Minister has agreed to review that policy in order to make sure that small industry sector is not handicapped in getting credit because of the complexity or the problems involved in converting from agriculture to non-agriculture.
উল্লেখযোগ্য যে অসমৰ নৱ উদ্যোগীসকলক উৎসাহ প্ৰদান কৰিবলৈ ৰিজাৰ্ভ বেংকে বিভিন্ন পদক্ষেপ হাতত লৈছে। অতি ক্ষুদ্ৰ আৰু মজলীয়া উদ্যোগ খণ্ডলৈ ঋণৰ পৰিমাণ বৃদ্ধি কৰি 3,800 কোটি টকা কৰা হৈছে। আনহাতে কৃষি খণ্ডলৈ ঋণৰ পৰিমাণ বৃদ্ধি কৰিবলৈ সিদ্ধান্ত লৈছে RBI। অসমবাসীৰ বাবে আশাব্যঞ্জক পদক্ষেপসমূহ ঘোষণা কৰি অধ্যক্ষগৰাকীয়ে কয়,
There was a decision on furthering financial inclusion in Assam. In accordance with the decision across the country of providing banking access to all villages with population over 2,000, in Assam too, around 2,300 villages which fall into that category have been provided banking access. But that access has largely been through appointment of banking correspondents. What the Chief Minister and his team requested was that the number of brick and mortar branches opened in rural areas must significantly increase. They have calculated that to take Assam to the national average, as measured by the average population per bank branch, which is the measure for measuring banking penetration, that is much higher in Assam than in the rest of the country. To get Assam down to the national average, they need another 600 odd branches. Banks collectively, all the commercial banks collectively have agreed to open 200 branches in rural areas in 2013-14.
উল্লেখ্য যে অসমত বৰ্তমানে চলি থকা বহুতো অবৈধ বিত্তীয় প্ৰতিষ্ঠানৰ কথা উল্লেখ কৰি গভৰ্ণৰগৰাকীয়ে কয়,
Some companies or entities operating in Assam, cheating gullible people, raising deposits and running away. This requires vigil by the state government, especially by the police department. And we have discussed with the Chief Minister and his team. They have asked what sort of assistance the Reserve Bank can provide. The Reserve Bank, as you perhaps know, regulates only financial companies, non-bank financial companies. It does not regulate non-financial companies. It does not regulate unincorporated bodies. Those fall within the purview of the state government, but we have from the Reserve Bank side undertaken to provide training to police officers to better regulate this.
Camera person Susanto Dasroite, Amotive Gogoi, Sentinel News, Guwahati.